Brand spanky new Ford F-150. We're going to show you how to take apart the cabin filter. Pretty simple, same with the Expedition. Push this guy in, push this guy in. Want this guy to drop down. At a certain point, it will come out. It will stop, and you can pull it out. See these guys? See all three of them? So the hook. Now we've got the blower's already on because it's nice and toasty in here. Pull out. Door. Pull out. Pull out. This drops down. Pull this out. Away from those wires. That's what we're gonna pull. Air. Lots and lots of air. Ooh, look, it's sucking it back in. Ooh. Right? Right. There you have it. Suck it back in. Let's see. No? Back in there. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.